Good glorious morning, well, or afternoon or evening, wherever you are. Good wonderful day to you all. Welcome, especially to new subscribers, and I love to have the opportunity to catch up with you. I did say I was not going to do a proper video this week, so I thought I'd just do a quick catch up to say I am still busy, I am working, and as you can see, I've cleared out and tidied up this bed. I've left carrot, beetroot and chard in here because I can still harvest the small leaves off the chard, whereas I have a chard in another bed I'm saving for seed. Oh, that bed, I've left one to go to seed over there, one beetroot, one carrot already bolted and going to seed, so they're my seed for next year. And in the meantime, I've transplanted garlic from my homegrown garlic into this bed over here and two in there, and this bed's been cleared as well for tomatoes and whatever else good companion plants I can plant in here. This Savoy cabbage I've left to go to seed, so I've got seed for next year. Got to bear in mind, if you want seed, you need to be prepared to leave one plant of each you want, at least. Maybe two, just in case one fails. But you only need one plant and you only need one stem because they give off thousands of seeds. I've put a parsley in there and a feverfew, and I'm going to find out whatever else I've got. I've got the ollas in there covered with glazed tiles and little things to weigh down the lid, so that's done. Same for that bed. I've got tomato in there and the chard going to seed, so I need to figure out what else I'm putting in there. These beds obviously need sorting out. Yeah, I'm going to very carefully do it here because I've got cauliflowers, and if they're not bolted, I know one has that will stay for seed for cauliflower, but I'm sure one or two might form curds on this, so I'll make sure I do what I have to keep them going, and hopefully they give us that's one thing I've never had success with in the past, but I'm hoping this is the year that changes. And I've got lots of other things to do, but I'm grateful that I've got something done this week. So there you go. Oh, and I have been planting plants in there and seeds and starts and all sorts, been busy. There you go. So that's just a quick catch up where I am this week, what I've done today, and I'll catch up with you again next week when I'll do a proper video. Take care, folks. Bye-bye.